I'm in Las Vegas, USA at the Western Veterinary Conference, where word is spreading about the Nu.Q Vet Cancer Test. But it's not just spreading here, because that test is now being made available throughout Europe and Asia. Veterinarians here have been approaching the Volition stand, asking how they can best use the test.
I think this is the largest Western Veterinary Conference that I've attended over the last several years. With reference to Nu.Q, there's a lot of excitement about it. There's a lot of doctors coming up to our booth, asking about the test and asking how they can implement the test, which is an area that we really want to focus on. The lectures that we've had have been well attended. Very, very gratified with the interest and with the escalating interest in Nu.Q as a whole.
I have a special interest in cancer care, and so I've known about the Nu.Q test. I've been anticipating its launch. We use PESCA machines in our laboratory in-house now, and so we've been waiting for it to come to be a point-of-care test. But the thing I was most happy about is, one, the price point is fantastic. We have used alternative cancer screening in our practice, and that's a challenge because the price point of it is very high for a screening test. And then also sample size. This being a much smaller sample size would make it very easy to incorporate into our screening. So it's something we've been waiting for. I'm excited.
I'm a big proponent of preventative care in my patients, so I'm constantly talking to my clients about how soon we should be doing that annual blood and urine testing. It's usually all of my patients over 5 or 6 years old, and this is just, I think, an add-on bonus for, unfortunately when my patients come in and they're actually younger and I'm finding cancer, whether it's on like our physical exam or I'm suspicious of it due to like the breed. I think it could just be another addition to my general wellness blood and urine testing, because it wouldn't hurt if my patient's otherwise healthy.
For our patients and our clients that are wanting to do early detection, and we just never had the capability. A lot of people would think that you're going to pick it up on routine blood work. It's a false misconception with clients that, the blood work is normal, so my animal doesn't have cancer, and that's not the case. So this test is exciting.
I haven't used any cancer screening yet, but it's something I would. I am the practice owner, and very recently we've been talking to IDEXX about doing preventative wellness lab work and having a program and a clinic champion to champion routine lab work for healthy patients. So that's already on the radar, but adding the cancer screening in as an extra would be amazing.
Dr. Brett Cordes runs a vet practice in Arizona, and with a large number of cancer cases, has been using the Nu.Q test for several months now.
We're learning to use it several different ways. Our pre-screening or our senior blood work, it's becoming a natural addition to that blood panel. And it's because oftentimes your senior blood work is normal. So we need some better indicators for screening for cancer. The second thing, we see all the time splenic lesions, and we don't know what to do with them. And sometimes we remove that spleen only to find out it was a benign little lesion, maybe a little injury or a little lymphoid hyperplasia. With this Nu.Q test, it can differentiate, and we feel a lot better trying to make those big surgery decisions instead of guessing. Ultrasound's a very helpful tool, but the Nu.Q test combined just in that scenario for hemangiosarcoma is wonderful.
We just recently launched with Nationwide Laboratories and VPG Laboratories in the UK. We are also in Portugal. We are in Italy. We're getting ready to go into Germany, and France is not far behind. We're active in Asia. We're actually getting requests to come into India, Paraguay, Uruguay, some of the smaller markets, but there seems to be wide world interest in our platform.
So that's it from me at the WVC here in Las Vegas. If you want to find out more details about the Nu.Q Vet Cancer Test and also how to use it, simply go to the Volition Vet website. Bye for now.